And there goes Dennis's 69 Country Squire into the transporter. Because it's sold. It's heading out. It's going to Illinois to its new owner, who actually saw the car on this channel, on this video series, and called me directly. And I got in contact with Dennis, and we all worked out a deal, and well, here it is in the truck, ready to go to its new home. I just wanted to say that anyone who sees any of these customer cars in any of these videos, don't hesitate to email, call, comment. If you're interested in the car, I'll ask the client. You know, I'm pretty sure damn near everything's for sale for the right price. But key is the right price. And, you know, sentimental pricing and all. But Dennis and the new owner were able to work out a deal. So it's on its way to its new home in Illinois. And it'll get a lot of love from its new owner.